Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. Kal, in spite of the hawkish commentary for some of the Fed members, dollar came under pressure. इसकी वजह ये है कि there was a risk-on rally in the equity markets. The point number one. And point number two, the markets seem to be now betting on, yes, the Fed will hike in July, possibly one more before December. Possibly. It's not certain yet. But uske baad, the rates are going to peak. And at the same time, other central banks are expected to continue to hike rates more than the Fed. Not in terms of the absolute level, but in terms of the number of hikes. So जिसके कारण dollar has come under, especially dollar index, जहाँ पे European currencies का सबसे ज़्यादा impact होता है, they have done well against the dollar, and because of which dollar index has fallen overnight. And a weak dollar index, risk on mood in the equity markets, Asian equity markets are also doing well, जिसके कारण we are seeing a downtick in the USDINR as well. In fact, USDCNH has also come down. So Chinese currency is doing quite well against the dollar. All of these should have a positive impact on the Indian Rupee, and USDINR offshore में 82.44 के आसपास trade कर रहा है. So what is the next level of support? 82.37 is a interim support level spot में. उसके बाद we are looking at a move towards 82.15 से लेकर 82.20 का. So 82.37, then 82.15 to 82.20. These are the zone of supports on USDINR spot. प्राइस एक्शन के हिसाब से इट लुक्स लाइक, एंड जो ग्लोबल क्यूज है उसके हिसाब से इट लुक्स लाइक दैट अनलेस द आरबीआई स्टेप्स इन टुडे टू सपोर्ट द USDINR, we could see some kind of selling pressure in the USDINR due to speculators liquidating their longs, which they had built up over the last week, and some bit of shorting as well, and some exporter selling as well. So जिसके कारण dollar rupee can be driven towards the support levels. 82.37 is a very smaller support. The bigger support comes near 82.15. So इसके लिए, if RBI doesn't step in to intervene, and that's a big if, because when they step into the market is very hard to say. Assuming they don't step in an aggressive way, we could see the dollar rupee go down towards 82.15-20 levels on the spot. So how to play this market now? Price action के हिसाब से you can build shorts. Sell on rise can be done. Either you use futures or you use options. Most people prefer to use options. So weekly option or a monthly option can be built. Stop loss रहेगा on your short USDINR trade. अगर मैं USDINR spot के हिसाब से बात करूँ तो stop loss should ideally be at 82.65 levels. 82.65, 66 के ऊपर जाके sustain हो रहा है, then it is always makes sense to exit the shorts. But जब तक 82.65, 66 के ऊपर spot sustain नहीं हो रहा है, for the time being, the bias is going to be downward. This is important. For the time being, the bias is going to be downward. Keep that in mind. So this is the overall picture in the USDINR. Across currencies में EUR/INR and GBP/INR should do quite well, क्योंकि GBP dollar and Euro dollar is doing well in the global markets. आज German ZEW और UK jobs report है, which is going to be critical for people trading EUR/INR and GBP/INR. GBP/INR option में भी काफी liquidity है, so if you don't want to use futures to trade the GBP because of the jobs report, you can focus on the GBP/INR options market. The bias in these two currencies continues to be upward. कल इंडिया का इन्फ्लेशन भी है और यूएस का भी इन्फ्लेशन है, so it's going to be an important day to watch out. But today, the jobs report and the German ZEW will be important drivers of cross currencies. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day.